If you are wondering how to quickly compare two columns in Excel without getting lost in formulas, in this video I'll show you a super simple way to check how far values in two different columns match using just one easy function in Excel. Whether you are comparing product lists, employee names, or data entries, this trick will save your time and frustration. Let's jump in and simplify your spreadsheet life. Before we start, and as usual, let me tell you that the file we will be using in this video is linked in the description below. You can download it and follow along with me step by step. Alright, let's get started by checking the data that will be used in our today's video. Here we have two lists representing the top 100 products sold in two different months. And all we need is to get the common values between two lists to have an informative look. To do that, comparing these two lists together and just extract and know what is the common values between these two lists, or what is in the list number 1 and not exist in list number 2, we will use a function of match with its new look or its new use. But how we can use match to extract or to get the common values between these two lists? All of us know that the purpose of using match function is to get the number of row or the number of column in a specific range. If we are selecting the entire column, then match will get us the number of the row. On the other hand, if we are selected an entire row, then match will return a specific column number. All you need to do here is to start typing match function. So we'll type equal and then use match. Here we will select this product. We need to search for it in the second list. Then we will type comma. For the lookup array, we will select list 2 entirely, and then we will press comma and then 0 for exact match to let Excel know that we are searching exactly for this value. Then we will close our bracket. All we need then is to just drag it till the end. But before doing that, we just need to make sure that we are fixing our lookup array we are searching into. So we'll select it and from our keyboard press an F4 and then press enter. The first one or the first value or the first product is not exist at the list number 2. If I select on it and just drag it till the down, this number shown here is representing the row number included here. So for example, in this one, it shows us a 45, which means that this product is existing in list number 2 in row 45. But notice that it's row 45 in our selection. We will go for the row 45 in our selection. This one is product number 877560, which is the same product number here. The same for the next one and the next one. So till now, match function helped us to know what is the row number exactly for each product in list 1 existing in list 2. If we tried the same thing in list number 2 just to identify what product in list 2 is matching list 1, we will type equal and then match. We will select the first product and then comma. Then we will go for the list number 1 and select the entire list of product here, and from our keyboard press F4 just to fix our range and then comma 0 for exact match, closing our bracket and pressing enter. This product is existing in the list number 1 in row 78 in our selection. Then we will need to just drag our formula to the end, and these are the row number for each product existing in list number 1 from list number 2. But what is the NA error means? The NA here is an abbreviation of not available, which means that this product is unique in list number 1 and it's not existing at list number 2. And the same for here. This product is existing in list number 2 but not found in list number 1. To be honest with you, that NA with that look is not professional at all. So how we can come over this issue? In addition to, if I try to filter that, just getting the products that existing in list number 1 and list number 2, I'll have here a lot of numbers. So how can I make it like just 2 values? It's easy to do. All we need to do is to use another function or use a function combination between match and another function, which is isNA. IsNA is a logical function or a logical formula that asks Excel if this formula is giving us an NA error, then it will return true. If not, it will get false. So we will start our formula with isNA and then close NA bracket at the end. I'm pressing enter. The first one here is getting true, which means that basically this product is giving an NA, which means that this product is not exist at list number 2. If we drag our equation till the end, we will find that all the numeric values get false. What do you mean by false? False here is to show you exactly that this product and this formula where we are using match there is not getting us an error, which means that this product is existing in list number 1 and list number 2. So we will do the same here. We will start our equation here. Instead of match, we will use is NA and then close is NA function bracket at the end and then drag it till the end. It will show us the same. How we can format it to make it easier for the audience or the user of this Excel file to identify the product, whether it was existing or not. All we need to do is to select our range, and from conditional formatting we will use new rule. From this pop-up window, we will go for format only cells that contain. We need to change between here is to equal to. The first format we will use is the true values. We will type here true and then format our cell to be like that. We will use the font as red, which means that this product is not existing at list number 2. And then we will make it bold and press OK. Finally press OK. So for each value is true here means that this product is not existing in list number 2. Then we will do the same for false. We will select our range and from conditional formatting new rule. Then we will select format only cells that contain. We will change in between to be equal to and make it false. Then change the format to be the color is green and make it also bold. Let's type. Let's press OK and press OK again. From the format painter here, we can click on it and then go for list number 2 just to paste our formatting here. We will give us the same result. Then I think it will be easy for anyone just to filter whether this product is existing or not. For this true, it means that it's not exist, and if we choose to select the false here, it will show us all of these products are existing in list number 1 and list number 2. We have 71 product is existing in both lists. If we cleared our filter like that and make filter at the second list, let's try to filter the same for this one for false. This is the product list that exists in list number 1, list number 2, and it's the same as we said, it's 71. That's how it will be easy for anyone to identify the existing products between the two lists and compare between the two lists. That was a straightforward example about how to compare two lists in Excel with a very simple function. Finally, remember that the file used in this video is linked below in the description. You can download it and try it by yourself. If you found this helpful, give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful Excel tutorials that save your time and boost your skills, because we are just getting started with Excel secrets that makes your life more easier. And drop me a comment just to tell me what you need to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.